Hey there, if you're using your iPhone on iOS 26 and you have a number which is constantly there when you take a photograph, don't worry, this is just the timer and we can turn this off quite simply. All we need to do is go to the top right corner. You'll see 6 little dots, press that. Then you'll see timer, press timer. Here you can see the 10 seconds which correlates to the 10 seconds there. We can of course reduce this to 5, or if we want to turn it off altogether, we can click on off. You also have an option for 3 seconds, but let's turn it off, take a photograph, and as you can see, no timer. Let's go back and select a timer of 3 seconds, press, and you'll see the countdown. So the key is these buttons here for the options, and here you'll see timer. Switch it off. Hope that's helped. Let me know in the comments and have a great day ahead.